Okay, so the first step is going to be installing Node.js in our system. I'm on my Windows computer right now. So first you will need to go to nodejs.org, and then of course it will give you two options for the downloads. We need to install this one or whatever version you're using in the future maybe. So I'm going to click on this, it's going to download, it's going to take a minute. So I'm going to pause the video and be right back. Okay, so everything was downloaded, so I will go right here. I'm going to click on it, and then of course run. It's going to ask me if I'm sure. So let me show this. You're going to get this tiny window, and after a while it's going to, it will give me the next option. It's just calculating the requirements in my computer. I don't have a very fast Windows machine, so it might take a little while. It's a little bit slow. So let's give the installer a moment. Sorry for that. All right, after it's done, we will click next, accept the terms, then click next. Of course, it's going to be in program files. Then just click in next, and of course, keep clicking next. I'm not going to install it because I've already have a version on this computer. I might need to upgrade it, but I don't really use Node.js in a Windows machine. I have the Mac machine. So I'm going to cancel it. Of course, you will need to move forward. So after that is done, after everything was installed correctly, so we will need to check that Node runs in our system. So how can we do that? So I'm going to go right here to the search and type cmd. And I'm going to bring the command prompt. Now let me bring it right here. So this is my machine, the user's local machine. Doesn't matter the path where you're going to be. So how can we check it? Real simple. We're going to say node and then -v. So -v means version. So this will give us the version of Node that runs in our system. I'm going to press enter. It's going to take a second, and then it will give me 8.6.0. I'm a little bit behind this version. So, okay. So if you're getting this, it means that everything is cool. You can use Node.js in your computer. Now, if you're not getting this and you're getting something like command not recognized, you will need to restart the computer for sure. So restart the computer and then come back. So on the next section, I will talk about the VS Code, the IDE I'm going to be using. And if you're in a Windows machine, I will suggest for you to take a look on to the next video. Don't skip it.